as we look forward into the technologies that are going to drive our economic growth or economic security, electronics plays a prominent role in that. But for us, the United States, to be able to seize that technology for use here in the United States, as well as to compete globally, we've got to have really good workers at that shop floor level, that technician level, as well as strong engineers that know how to design and work with those emerging technologies in the electronics and microelectronics space. And so if you're a young person that is considering what to do in your future, we encourage you to consider coming into a technician level front. If you can't see a pathway to a four-year university, look to your local community college to go into the electronics technician career field. We need you, and that is a great opportunity. If you're looking at going into an engineering front, we encourage you to look at electronics engineering there as well, and be the next generation to design the electronics that are going to go into our self-driving automobiles and what's going to happen in the UAVs and how we're going to use the IoT devices of the future. If you're a school, we encourage you, the best way to get those students trained up on where the current state of the art is and where we're going is to bring in your local industry participants that are, experts in these fields. Open up your classrooms to them to help close the gap and make that relationship for that student in terms of how they can use their this profession to contribute to that technical field. And if you're industry, we need you in that space, not only training, but to help provide internship opportunities, apprenticeship programs, and also working with your local community colleges and your local universities on what is needed from an industry requirement. What skills do you need for today and tomorrow in this career field so they can start to make that pivot? We don't have enough universities and community colleges that are training to this career field. And so if you're a community college, we encourage you to reach out through the association to find other community colleges that have programs that they've implemented for the electronics technician community, and ask them to partner with you on how they can incorporate that into their curriculum. And the same for universities. We only have a handful of universities that really have strong specialty electronics focus, especially for defense needs, like RF engineers. And if you're interested in growing that capability, we encourage you to reach back out to this association or to those leading universities that have those curricula, and partner with them on how you can possibly incorporate that program into your training programs.